Hi everyone, welcome to the IT Man channel. I'm Yo. I'm excited to have you with me today about from the extremely fast web build tool. It's written with Rust. And before I go to the detail about this tool, let me show you this interesting information so you can get context behind why I want to topic today. This is the report state of JavaScript 2023, and there are a few interesting here. The most adopted technology is the Vite, and then the highest retention also Vite. And the interesting, Vite is not a tool to write test, but it's based on Vite. So this is quite interesting to me. But when you get the idea about this one, mod love library of Vite, and this is a design from the farm team. So they research and they find out what is the issue right now with the web view. And we had a popular tool like Webpack, and then we had something fantastic like right now like this. But we has the trade-off here, and this documentation from farm team they like out why they build this tool, and I encourage you to go over the rest all the things they hear. It's a long documentation, so but quite good to understand why they build this. So I think you should check it out. Then we need to think about okay, that's might be a long documentation, so you don't have time to read all. Okay, stay tuned. You can see this is the website from Farm, and they has beautiful website, and they have overall comparison between popular tools for the web bundle. So this is the farm, this is fast, bold and use written in Rust and Vis and web app. And if you see the different configuration like hot module relaunch root or hot module relaunch leaf, code view, host view. So almost every case here, you'll notice different between Vis and farm is quite small, but it look depend on the way you do like host start here. So this is the main map. And if you don't shut them, you can click on the link to will open the website. This is the which repo. It has all the tests. They use the test from Turbo repo. And before we go this one, you can see this overall they have quite similar to what this provide, like extremely fast perimeter bench building. And something I feel is this the Masio building. This is quite new for me. I had a chance to try it out, yes, because I think it will get more attention to this feature. And when you see this website, you click on the Y farm, you're gonna see the explain why they build this zone, the simple documentation. And they also have a wizard. Right now you can use farm with like Node.js system, so that are good. Because some people still use this old version. They don't have like latest like 20 yet. And the way you do, you can use npm, yarn, pnpm, dn, what is your package manager, and can create projects and this start. This is sample about how the kind of creation, so you can get a text file, see the input, then you can get the output. The default for the server dev server is 9,000, 9,000, and it has one single command view, that is npm run view. And now next step you want to try when you finish this one, you can view this command, see the preview the output. So why not we can get start on gonna open terminal. You're gonna burn you're gonna use burn create. So I don't use this, so now I farm. And this will download the package and now it say farm demo process. Let's say farm demo. And then they had an option similar to this. You have field like vanilla, yes, React, Vue. PHP or remix. You can choose whatever you want. It's be so list. For this sample here, I want to try with just React, and that's this. The next step, you're gonna cd to farm. Now I can get burn. So after this step, is to install all the packages. And you burn, but you can do anything, and you can also define. For example, this is the why I can get the Node.js version. So if I use this moment here, this will use the Node.js like stable version. Right now it's 20.12.2, and I'm gonna open this one. I burn run dev. I can just burn dev. So this will start the application, and it does that 1 millisecond ready. And this moment, this is the like a normal React template. You have the icon, and you have farm icon on the left. If you want to edit something, you can go to the file. Okay, next time I'm gonna use editor to see what is the default here. And this template is quite normal. The first thing you're gonna have some script that you can dev or style, and then they have the dependency package, the dependent library you're gonna use. For this guy, you React. They have few things, and similar to this, you have the farm configuration, and it's just one file, farm configuration. And the entry point, this one is the index file. On the index file, you have same thing, same conversion. If you're working with this before, you're gonna find a lot of similar things. So this is the source file or the index.th. If you go to this file, and then it's with source here, index.th file. And at this moment, you're gonna see, okay, this import the R from main file to the file, and it just has simple logo and counter style, and pretty much normal. And you can import HPG image or PNG image from the file, and one typing file. So this is the one it provided for. All right, and from the documentation here, you can also see something like you plugin. They had a few options. Try you can use the farm plugins. They had a two version, which is Rust on another JavaScript. So you can use one of them, or you can use like Vite up unplugin plugin. So this supported farm. Also some SWC plugin. You can use this. The way you do for example, you can use any package manager to import. So this one, then import on farm file. So this is the convention. So this is the way you can say, okay, I'm gonna use this one, the plus, and another one is the JavaScript. And there's some advanced session here. You can might take a look how to set up server-side rendering, and even like static side generation. You can also see fine or what's your building. So this is I think it's amazing. I found it's quite different with the concept here. So the way it written here, it might be hard to explain. Maybe in another video I can go over advanced feature to explain more about it. Is good way to explain. Let me know. I try another video. For this demo today, I will try to don't go over all the concept. And they also on the README file on the website you find all of the framework you can use with React, Vue, Solid, V. So al- almost every popular framework right now you already found this one. And if you are using this right now, it's gonna easy. You can migrate sim. Yes, because what you do is you need try change the config from this to farm, and There's something like only you know CSS, right? Yes. So that's pretty much what you need to look to. For today demo, I'm gonna have two demo. First is that a free React demo. So this one I recreate and published recently. So what I create here, I use this, you React, you start ENY, and then you start query and React hook form start query for data fetching. So pretty much standard. And this structure here, you can find the resource to get how I can do this. And also, this is a link. If you try this one, you're gonna see the right. So this is the simple. Then you can try something like Naruto and so this one. So that the person. It's, and then another demo. This is farm. So this is a base. And then another one. So I had two. One is base, another farm. All right. I rename this to farm. So now you see this one is pretty much is same thing. So on the right you had farm demo, on the left you had victim. So the so code is similar. Like I just copy right over, and you're gonna see here the same I deploy to Vercel. The white structure you had on the left this config, and then on the right here. Now what is different? The difference is kind of farm and load this one, load this one. So pretty much see the same thing. The lab here for this we just import where you use this plugin. I use this plugin React with as I see on the right this the React from farm. So this is the core plugin. Then I have post CSS to do the with CSS combine. On the left here, I don't need this one, but on the right I need this. And then this is the why you set the compilation. It's similar with the result. So we have compilation. So this is the show here. Now the same thing. Then you have to set up the simple process. This now, if I on go to my terminal, this also this is a bit a burn install. Just install everything, burn dev. So this one, this will open the box now. So this simple counter. Then I have the form. So this here we have book form. And whenever I type in something and can see this right easily, so this help me to debug what I should be. Then this here we have query. So the default is disabled because right now I don't done anything. So just combine two things together so I can Naruto enter. So whenever I press this one, so I can list all the things. This is which bit. So you just see, and then here, and this is the React query. Now it's called transact React query, and you can see the depth zone and pan and see the data, and then I can choose okay what is the data. So similarly, I can add another one. This is from React. I can install burn depth. So this we yeah it's fast. If you compare it's quite similar, but notice the difference here. So this is similar. I can alternate same thing. And now I can copy this one back. So I can enter something. Okay, you see up Naruto, enter. So now I just call up this one. Now on the bottom, see the data. So pretty much the same structure, but it's too different. All right. And then the way setting is quite similar. You had to bin this out and bin this out. So this is structure. You had a publish, you had IRC folder. Then the package JSON file, it just standard with the lab here. You're gonna see they had a dev command. So you can use this to run dev, and on the right farm. So it just replay with this farm. And then on the left, you build me to do the checking the coding convention of awesome. And then the package same, you put package here, dev dependency package. So this small change. So like on the left, is you for this price you farm. And it's quite simple for structure this app. Let me close this one, open this one. The entry is to be index th5. On this one, I just say, okay, I have app here. If I have the app, we import the app and run the app under strict mode. And as I explain out the view, so the entry point will be from the index file. If you don't define on the farm, then go to the app. So this that React query just that one at the one query provider, the top. Then with the main here, and a few things I want just one import CSS, then the image, the button from SAS CA UI. So this is standard component from them. Then had a car. So it had on the top, it just had the button to the counter. And then on the bottom here, the anime list. So in the content, they had an anime component. Just had one more. Yes, here. On this one, the structure is I define one state to for the form, and this is the form. You React query form. So when you define and you can define file value here, and this you controller input. This you have the wrapper, and when you give the name, this is the UI component. So it's just wrap of this one. Whenever you do something, it will change the state from this one. When you enter on the form, you have the also, and this handle submit here, it's gonna change the state on data set. And when this happen, if we pass the value, this is the state, pass the value to the anime list component. So the anime list component is be the just to give it a proper name. When you have the name, is you define the query key and you get a person. About this guy here, I use the proxy I define on config.ts file. On this one, when you don't enable, which means you need to be add a name to call the API. Otherwise, I don't do anything. So it's had a default case. If you don't provide a name, just searching for an anime. So I give a simple name. When it's fetching, just show not is being. If something wrong, it show the error on UI. And when you get all the data here, I provide a simple typing with the anime list response. So it's look over and add the title, cut description, cut content, and that's pretty much about this application. And for example, here, like if I go and this side, if I enter something like Naruto, because right now you the dev process won't work on production. So enter here, Power BI. I try a few times and the default React query. Then it say, okay, this error. Okay, don't give me the valid decision response. All right, thank you everyone. Happy Sunday. If you have any comment or feedback on this kind of content, let me know. See you next time.